Hey guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to record a video on Oculus Quest 2. The first step is that you're going to want to record. I'm already recording, which means I don't have to click on that. Then, if you want to make a YouTube short, then this is probably the best option. But if you're going to make a long video, like somewhat like an hour or a live stream, this is probably the best option. This one's optional though. I don't know about that one. Then, once you're done, you're going to want to go to browse. Then you're going to upload a video here. And then, you basically do the rest. Yeah. Anyways, watch this one. It's literally premiering somewhat there. Yeah. Anyways, if this helped, thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notifications bell so you will not miss another video. Oh wait, I forgot something. You can also edit the video. You can either edit with CapCut or YouTube Studio. Either one is optional. Alright, see you all later, and bye-bye!